war baman kasngi awalam shipi da unang yalam news
Pynshai Chief Minister Conrad K.Sangma hai ke bidai bat karam balashim da kasorkan Meghalaya ulai jawab ha kynta ïatai hapoh assembly ulai thu ba ka EAPS lani ka external aids project bat ka SASCI lani ka special assistant of state on capital investment kalong kum kapisa ba shuai shakajala ulaong ba ya karam la bansiu hadin sanpos nam klam kano kasut bat kanam don kano kajing ban kia lani kajing ya kapateng kebansawan lani ya kibreu jong kajala hadin ulayathu.
For this particular 50-year loan, whose net present value is 83 crores, we have to put 12 crores in the consolidated fund every year for the next 50 years. And that 12 years will continue to give us interest. And you know, sir, what the value of that deposit that we make from now on for the next 50 years is going to be? At 2075, is going to be 5,155 crores. Which means when we have to repay for 2,450 crores, we will actually have 5,155 crores, double of what we have to pay, because of the fact that interest is not applicable. So this is how finance and hedging works. This is how terms and conditions of finance department are created to ensure that no state goes into any kind of a debt trap. And we have to follow these principles. And it's based on these principles, sir, that we are taking the loans. But as correctly mentioned by our honorable member from Umsning, that we have to take it in a calculated manner. There has to be provisions. There has to be ways and means in which we'll be able to repay those debts back. And as I mentioned, sir, this may be one of the best ways to fund our capital investment projects. Because though we are taking 2,450 crores today, which has to be prepaid after 50 years without interest, that amount is only valued at 83 crores right now. So therefore, sir, this is a beautiful way to fund, and Meghalaya is one of the most efficient, I should say, states in this aspect. And as I said, based on the consolidated sinking fund amount we are putting in, there will be sufficient amount for the then government to be able to repay back only the principal amount after 50 years.
war baman kasngi subscribe ka channel unang yalam news